Hello and welcome to the Nerd Cave Remote Technical Support video channel. I found a very handy feature that I thought I would show you. If you're like me and you have a number of browser windows open or application windows open or just a bunch of windows open in general and you want to get access to your desktop in order to get to a folder or some other link that's on your desktop, one way you can do that is to click over here in the corner, the very corner, and it'll minimize all the windows and give you access to your desktop. But I don't like having to minimize things all the time, and I discovered that one thing you can do is go down here and right click the taskbar, go up to toolbars, and then click desktop, and it puts a little desktop item right here on your taskbar. So if you want to access folders on your desktop, you just can click this and it'll give you access to folders on your desktop as well as a number of other folders, including the recycle bin, the control panel, and just about anything you want to access you can get to from here. This PC, I can get to my drives. I want to go to my data drive. Look at all that. Wow. If I right click this, I can open it. So I thought that's something you'd like to know. It's something I certainly think is handy. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also, make sure you check out the website www.the-nerdcave.com and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.